June 2025, torrential rains triggered flash floods and landslides in Nujiang and Diqing Prefectures in China. 27 homes were destroyed, 16 bridges collapsed, and roads were cut off. Fortunately, no casualties were reported. In July, another disaster followed. On July 8th and 9th, Zhaotong City was hit by record-breaking rainfall, 255 millimeters in just one day. Over 7,000 people were evacuated. 5 individuals remain missing. Hundreds of homes and vehicles were submerged, and more than 200 roads were damaged. Yunnan is a province in the southwest of China, bordering Vietnam, Laos, and Myanmar. Its capital city is Kunming. It's known for diverse geography, mountains, rivers, and valleys. Rich culture, home to over 25 ethnic minority groups, mild climate, warm summers, cool winters. Why is Yunnan prone to floods? Yunnan's geography and climate make it vulnerable to natural disasters, especially during the rainy season, May to September. Here's why. Mountainous terrain. Heavy rain easily causes mudslides and flash floods in steep areas. Deforestation and development. Construction in rural and riverbank areas increases land erosion. Monsoon rains. Yunnan gets hit by southwest monsoon winds, bringing intense rain. Rural infrastructure. Many roads and bridges in the countryside are not disaster resistant. This is yet another reminder of the growing threat of climate disasters. Stay informed and stay prepared. China's Meteorological Center had issued early alerts, and rescue teams were deployed immediately. Efforts are ongoing to restore power, reopen roads, and provide aid to affected families.